All right, so this is question number 18, and we are required again to solve the inequality. All right. After solving, we're gonna do the graphing. All right, and after that, we're gonna build the set builder notation. So the solution set and interval notation. All right. So they are 4 parts. All right, so let's get into it. So the first step is obviously to isolate the x's. All right, and we're gonna use the traditional way, which is -2 here, -2 here, -2 here. You cannot move the -2 to one side or another, right? So you have to subtract -2 to all of them. So this is gonna be -11. The inequality stays as it is. This is 4x, and this is going to be a 4. Now, noting that the number next to the x is negative, actually we don't have a choice at all here, just dividing by a negative number, right? So we're going to go ahead and divide everything by a negative number. So divide by -4, divide by -4, and divide by a -4. Now, because we divided by -4, the inequality, they're going to flip to the other direction. So what you're going to do, you're going to flip this inequality from this side to the other side, and the same thing, this to this side, right? If there is a large inequality, there is an equal sign on it, you keep it. If this is a strict inequality, you keep it as well, right? So now, -4x divided by -4, you're going to give you x. 4 divided by -4, you're going to be -1. And -11 divided by -4, you're going to be just 11/4. Now, probably this equation is flip it backwards, so we can rewrite it if you want to. We can read it as -1 less than x less or equal than 11/4. The last step is not necessarily, but anyways, maybe it helps to understand if you put the negative number first, then the largest numbers, right? Now, what is the graph of this? Again, we're going to do the graph here. So this is our number line. All right, we're gonna place the two numbers, -1 and 11/4, all right, on the number line. So for -1 is strict inequality, so as you see it here, so there is a strict inequality. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a circle on it, all right, so empty circle, right? For the other one, from the other side, on the right side, is a large inequality, so there is an equal sign. So what we're going to do, we're going to circle a shaded point. So you're going to make a circle and then shade it. Anything in between is your solution. So your solution is going to be this part over here. All right. Now, this is the graph is done. The set builder notation, so the solution set, how can I rewrite it? Is the set of x's. You put the conditions, set that, and you write the inequality as it is, -1 less than x less or equal 11/4. All right. And finally, the interval notation, I think you can see it already on the graph. So the solution set, if I want to write it on the graph, you're going to be -1 first, comma, 11/4. So 11/4 is shaded, so you're going to be a bracket, and -1 is empty, so you're going to be a circle. And here you go, those are the 4 parts. So we solve it over here, then we graph over here, and then the set builder notation right there, and finally the interval notation right here. Okay.